lockdown. 10-4 GCC lockdown. I think we have 103 in custody. Stand by.
Officers rush in. Inside the car sit 3 young suspects. They are pulled out one by one. No escape this time.
Have them shut it.
Just what happened.
We're gonna have to turn them around. Yeah.
I'm just right here. We got all three. We're right here.
Good job, boys. All right, we got a little mess to clean up. Good stop stick. Oh yeah. Yes. 712 dispatch. We have all three. Sir, are you hurt or injured in any way?
I don't think so.
Okay, do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and call your station. Let them know what was going on.
Yeah,
and we'll get to you.
Yeah. Stop.